Hello again. Welcome back to our time-sticking YouTube channel. My name is Jake, and today we're going to be talking about a crossover between Citizen and Marvel that happened relatively recently. So, stick with us through our intro, and we're going to be exploring some superhero-level timekeeping. Watchmaking giant Citizen and pop culture juggernaut Marvel have had some crossover in the past. In recent history, Baselworld 2018 saw the announcement of some pretty stellar Marvel watches from Citizen. Popular characters Captain America, Black Panther, and Spider-Man found themselves on the dial with the similarly iconic Citizen watch name. After the buzz died down on these timepieces, almost 2 years after the 2018 release, Citizen announced a Marvel 80th anniversary run of watches. Releasing just 4 months ago as of today, in November of 2019, these watches pay homage to the classic fonts and characters that Marvel has been using for nearly a century. Each Spider-Man drop in this particular series of Marvel timepieces is a pretty big standout. Before the 2019 release of these new Marvel watches, the Spiderman Watch that was released in 2018 had a pretty bold design on its own. From far away, it could look like a run-of-the-mill men's stainless steel watch with a Pepsi spin. It has red and blue coloration referencing the Spidey suit colors, but seems fairly ordinary without closer inspection. Indeed, this watch is anything close to ordinary in aesthetics. Though it doesn't have a direct representation of the web slinger, it sports his emblem in the 6 o'clock subdial, has an asymmetrical spiderweb on the blue dial, and smartly contrasts red against the blue dial via the tachymeter. It's a clean blend of a classic hero and a classic men's watch facade from Citizen. Aside from the stainless steel watch model, there's also a sportier Spidey watch from 2018 that was put out by Citizen. It rocks a black and blue stainless steel case, a black silicone strap, and the same dial as the stainless steel model. With an exception, 2018 Sporty Spidey does not have a chronograph movement, so Spider-Man's suit logo is placed at the 12 o'clock position. Both pieces do fair justice to the friendly neighborhood superhero and sit well with other previous Citizen Marvel releases, including Avengers, the Hulk, and others. In contrast, the late 2019 Citizen releases take a more direct approach to representing Spider-Man. Citizen's Spider-Man watch that was released for the Marvel crossover in late 2019 has Peter Parker front and center. On the dial, he can be seen in full attire, on top of retro black and white panels. These panels are a reference to the first issue of Spider-Man from 1962, a direct influence on the 2019 Citizen release. In fact, Citizen got a little more exclusive with this watch. It's first come first serve on these 1962, aka 1962, EcoDrive watches, taking on a mix of black and white plus red dashed in. The color palette is simple, and the dial is fantastically bold. Alongside the comic book stylings of the dial are a silver stainless steel case, with red and black numbering on the bezel. The band itself is also red and black, and is made with leather. Though we've dialed in a bit on the Spider-Man watches from 2018 and 2019, all of the releases from Citizen and Marvel crossing over are pretty exceptional. To be sure, Spider-Man's 1962 anniversary timepiece is part of a greater 80th anniversary series celebrating Marvel Comics, as we previously mentioned. Citizen released a wristwatch influenced by the red, white, and blue coloring of Marvel's marketing alongside their Spider-Man 1962 piece. Both of these releases were given the limited edition treatment and house the Citizen EcoDrive movement. In fact, all of Citizen's Marvel watches retain this rechargeable aspect. Whether one is sporting Spider-Man, saluting Captain America, smashing it up with the Hulk, protecting Wakanda with the Black Panther, or simply joining the Avengers, there's no need to worry about regular battery changes. The Amazing Spider-Man now has 2 standout pieces from the brand in this series, alongside plethora Marvel characters. It's a story worth printing in the Daily Bugle, or at the very least, here on our time-sticking channel. Spider-Man, among other Marvel characters, had a pretty cool crossover in the last couple of years. So, do you have a favorite Marvel superhero that's appeared on a watch for you? Do you actually own one of these Citizen EcoDrives? Let us know in the comments section below. We always love to hear feedback about our subject. Wow, thanks again for watching our YouTube video today. If you've really enjoyed it, we actually have a couple more videos available just right here and right there. On top of that, our entire channel is at your disposal, and if you subscribe by clicking the link that's right next to me, we'll give you the latest update on our most recent videos. So, thanks again for watching, and we hope to see you again.